Justin Desick here with Sutton Group Select Realty at our latest listing at 2201 363 Colborne Street, downtown London, Ontario. As you can tell, we're up here on the 22nd floor with a large balcony facing downtown with beautiful west-facing sunset capabilities as well. You're gonna love the open concept with over 1,000 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and this place is move-in ready. Let's go check it out. You'll just love the lighting in this kitchen here. It's open concept, you have stainless appliances. It's perfect for entertaining as you have a bar top here. You have loads of storage, lots of counter space. Excellent to come home here, put the groceries on there, get supper ready, take it easy for the rest of the night. Another great feature about this unit is the oversized primary bedroom. A lot of people that I talk to that are interested in living downtown are looking for enough space to have a king-size bed in their bedroom. This is a queen-size bed that we have here featured. Tons of room to make it a king, and on top of that, you have an awesome 3-piece ensuite right here as well. If you don't necessarily need the second bedroom and you're lucky enough to still be working from home or have a home-based business, there's a great office space here that has tons of natural light all afternoon, and at the end of the day, you get to watch the sunset. So there's a friendly community atmosphere here at the Colborne Towers, and you've got an awesome pool facility, fitness center, and common area to spend your evenings and weekends when you're not working. The people here will socialize, hang out, and enjoy the best that life has to offer in this nice space that's well lit and right outside your front door. So this is where our tour will conclude here today for Colborne Towers. We're in the common room. If you wanted some extra space to come and play a game, read a book, watch a movie, play the piano, this is the place that you want to do it. There's lots of community amenities here. It's a great sense of downtown community lifestyle. If you're looking for something like this and I can help, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Desick, Sutton Select Realty. Bye for now.